Munini wa Ngavana kaunti ya Kitui Wambua Kanani niwaumbula kana Silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui niyiyumbanitye kukwatana na kimanyisyo cha yiulu cha Seku Kuminukilya ukava wa kimanyisyo ki ula wi Mwingi nzia imwe ya kukilya kisomo kauntini ya Kitui. Kanani anena ki kavindani kala evikite cha thini cha kwikia ngovia kwa amaniwa makimanyisyo cha Seku campus nene ya kwa vonza Kitui rural vala wenda ngwatanio kati wa Silikali ya Kitui na kimanyisyo kiu ibingilelo kana kutethesia amaniwa na muno alama maundu mau iti kukwata ivusoya kutethesia enendi masivitali ni manene ma kaunti ya Kitui. Livoti yake Onesmus Chalo.
Munini wa Ngavana kauntini ya Kitui Wambua Kanani niwaumbula kana pena movango kati wa Silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui na kimanyisyo cha Seku Kuminukilya mwako wa campus ya Mwingi no kana kukili wango sia kisomo Kitui pamona kwete myanya mingi kwa amanyiwa. Kanani aweta kika vindani kalefu kite cha thine cha kwekwa ngovia cha amanywa ma kimanyisyo ki ma mwaka wangilili miongoli na itatu na alama somete yanda kivathukanyo cha thikila cha tuwa kimanyisyo cha Seku nene kila kikwa vonsa Kitui rulo.
I reaffirm the county government's administration commitments to work closely with the university in establishing the Mwingi campus. This will create more learning opportunities for students from Kitui County and beyond.
Munini wa Ngavana niwaweta kana Silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui niyumbanitye kwithwa na ngwatano na kimanyisyo ki no kana kutethesia manyo kukwata efisa ya kuthukuma kauntini ya Kitui na muno ala masomete maundu ma uiti vala methwa na kianda cha kuthukuma masivitali ni ma Kitui wevola wa Kitui level 4 na Mwingi no ala Silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui vanete kwa mpatanja ndeve syauo.
The Kitui County government is in the process of upgrading our two main hospitals. Those are the Kitui County Referral Hospital and the Mwingi level hospitals to medical schools to host one of your most coveted faculties, the Seku School of Medicine. And I wish to affirm that with, in collaboration with one of our partners, by December this year we are going to open the first cancer unit in this region. And we are in the process of establishing our renal unit, which is going to serve the southeastern Kenya economic block. That is the second.
Ingino amekithisia Silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui niende na kukitana mwa wa kivukisioni kikwesila kuosa kivu kwa wingi kuma silangani wa masinga na wala wetete kivukisioni cha kwa vonza.
We are in the process of doing a second intake, water intake at Masinga Dam that serves the Kwavonza and the Seku environs so that we can have adequate water for our people.
Amanyi wala mamina kwikwa ngovia kimanyisyo kini matonga muvea kwi alimu asipo mwana wangami wake soma kikwa kumanenge viso ya kusoma na hiyo vindani ya vikayo ya kumalukana kuyanisya ndoto sio.
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to all of you who have blessed us with your presence on this auspicious occasion, marking a significant transition in our lives. As we gather here, we solemnly pledge to carry forward the hopes of our families and the vision of our beloved university, which is eloquently expressed in its enduring philosophy of transforming lives. Our hearts resonate with this noble mission, and we commit to being stewards of positive change in our communities and beyond.
Kumava vilinginwa movoto imekwatisya kwithia nevinda ya yiulu. Didi vota vilingwa movo Mutongo TV kuma kwa vonza ila Kitui rulo wa kauntini ya Kitui. Neto Onesmus Chalo.